surprised to find that there is such a thing as elder law. And Wendy Klaus is the expert in this field, not only because they're good attorneys, but they also provide financial advice, and that's what we really, really need. You know, there are a lot of people that will try to advise you, but if they don't know all the laws, you know, then they have to call in a consultant. This firm does not have to do that. They have someone in the office that can answer all your questions for you. That's the comforting part. I'm completely comfortable. Whenever anyone asks me if I know anyone, that's the only name that comes to mind. I don't even look up anybody in the phone book for them. I recommend Sterling and Tucker all the way back to 1985. That's how long I have been associated with this law firm. Sterling and Tucker is just great. You can put your complete trust in them.